My name is Mohammad Bagar. I am 22 years old. I am from Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. I am a Bachelor of Science and alumni of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. After completing my graduation in 2019, I was working in Aadhaar Seva Kendra Collectorate Jabalpur as Aadhaar Enrollment Light Client, where my role is to enroll children who are less than 5 years of age and update mobile number in Aadhaar. Besides this, I help residents by providing them information about process and documentation required in the Aadhaar enrollment and update. During COVID-19 lockdown, when online education was only medium of education, I was volunteering with Barefoot Edu Foundation. Barefoot Edu Foundation is a not-for-profit organization which works with the schools of students belonging to low-income family. During my internship at Barefoot, I was teaching mathematics to the students of class 9th and 10th at Rosemary Higher Secondary School, West Malad, Mumbai. Because of the past experiences and learnings, I believe that there is a huge opportunity for the youth to work in the rural development sector for the development of our nation. I want to join the SBI Youth for India Fellowship because Youth for India Fellowship provides the opportunity to directly work for the rural development sector, which I always wanted to do all my life. I believe that through the grassroots experiences of the fellowship, I will be able to learn the actual problems of rural India and will be able to positively impact thousands of lives directly. Being part of SBI Youth for India Fellowship, I will be already at a place where other future opportunities could see me. And I believe that mentorship plays an important role in shaping of an individual. And here in the fellowship, I will get proper mentorship from the top educators of the nation. And I also believe that after 13 months being in the environment of the fellowship, I will come out as an adaptive leader to sustain myself in the 21st century. I hope the pandemic will end soon and we will be working together for the betterment and development of the society and bringing positive change.